done stand-up before in the metro. Because if you take a train from Majestic, you have to stand up only and come. You won't get seat only. All these aunties will only take the seat and they will give this look. So what do I do with that look, bro? I have to give the seat to them. But one good thing about standing is you burn 100 calories per hour by standing. So I travel 2 hours in the metro. I'm doing a curl fit workout in the metro versus standing like this. Full curl fit workout. So I'm working out so much. Full 2 weeks I went in the metro. I'm working out so much. I'm like, I should go on a trek, man. I'm working out so much nowadays. I went on a trek for 6 days. 6-day trek. And before you even register for the trek, they want proof that you are actually fit. So they made me download this app. Okay. They are like, you have to do 5 kilometers in 30 minutes. I'm like, I'll do 5 kilometers in 5 minutes only. You give me metro station ticket. Okay. So, anyways, I downloaded the app. The app is here. And I'm a computer science engineer, by the way. So, I'm like, I can hack this app. App is just code. So, you know how I hacked it? I kept it like this. And then I started doing this. I'm just standing and doing this. For 30 minutes, I'm doing this. I see it after 30 minutes. Time 30 minutes. Distance covered 0 kilometers. So I'm like, okay, I actually have to run and do this. But you know, the toughest part about this trek wasn't the endurance training, stamina training, or any of that. Toughest part was convincing my parents, bro. I went to my dad. I'm like, Papa, there's this trek in Manali. We have to trek up. We have to go high and we have to climb the mountain. And my dad is like, wait, God, you want to go to Manali and get high? That's what he heard. So he said no straight up. This was the first hurdle of it. Second hurdle was the trek was the toilet situation. You can't expect a 5-star hotel toilet there. The one in Hyatt hotel is there. No, you can't expect all that. They dig a hole and they put a tent. That's all. Go there, take a shit, come out. It's disgusting. And the worst part is, you can't use paper only. You have to use... No, you can't use water. Only paper is allowed. Paper, am I white? Am I a Britisher? What the hell? Why are we in this colonial mindset still, bro? I called Shashi Tharoor. I'm like, bro, these people are still doing colonial mindset. You should like tell them not to. You should tell them to follow Indian values and use water. Okay. I went to this trek. I went to the base camp. Metro. I went to the base camp. Okay, the mountain is there. And then like climb the mountain. I'm like, what? There's no metro here or what? I'm used to the metro. I do my workouts in the metro only. Okay. Like Modi is not doing his job or what? Okay, and then Shashi Tharoor is like, I'll do it. Don't worry. Because I called him on that time. Okay. So the toilet is so bad. First 3 days I didn't go to the toilet only, okay. First day I went, I'm sitting here, okay. I'm putting full pressure. Full pressure, I'm putting nothing's coming out. I burnt more calories trying to take a shit than in those metro lines. Anyways, after that 3 days got over, the trek also got over, and so was my time waste. Thank you for listening to me.